A very good morning to my beloved lecturer, Dr. Janu, and all my fellow friends. My name is Kantona bin Jainuddin, metric number BR18110044. And today I would like to present about my complete research, and the title is Vermicomposting, an effective option for recycling organic waste. Let's go to the introduction. The increasing world population has resulted in higher consumption of goods and services that has driven a substantial increase of organic waste originating from household, industry, and agriculture. This waste represent a valuable organic resource which could be recycled and transformed into nutrient-rich fertilizer and soil conditioner. Vermicomposting is one of the most efficient means to mitigate and manage environmental population problem. This is the methodology. First is bin composting. The most common method for small-scale composting is bin composting method. The bin can be constructed of several materials such as wooden, plastic, recycled containers like bathtubs, and barrels. A vermicompost bin may be in different size and shape, but its average dimension 45 times 3 times 30 times 45 centimeter. Around 10 holes with 1 or 1.5 centimeter in diameter holes in bottom side cap of bin is useful for aeration and drainage. Second is pit composting. For large-scale composting, pit of size 2.5 meter times 1 meter times 0 meter under the that shades with side left open are advisable. The bottom and side of the pit should be made hard with wooden mallet. The third method is pile composting. Pile method is mostly used for vermicomposting in large scale. The pile can be made in porch place like greenhouse or in floor with some facilities for drainage in warm climate. The pile size may vary in length and weight. However, its height is average height of bin used for bin composting. Result: the vermicompost has high porosity, erosion, drainage, and water holding capacity. In addition to increase all essential elements that need for plant and plant nutrient available in the earthworm cache are also found. Plant growth hormones, namely cytokinin and auxin, are found in organic waste processed by earthworms. They also release certain metabolites such as vitamin B, vitamin D, and similar substances into the compost. Thus, earthworms accelerate the mineralization rate and convert the manure into gas with higher nutritional value and degree of humidification than traditional method composting. Vermicompost enables biological transformation of waste into the valuable organic fertilizer, and vermicompost also is popularly called as black gold and has become one of the major components of organic farming system right now. So the composition of commonly available nutrient in vermicompost is as follows. So they have organic carbons, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and sodium, and this is all the percentage. Now we go to the discussion. Vermicomposting, vermis from the Latin for worm, is mesophilic process which involve a joint action of earthworm activity at 10 to 32 Celsius and mesophilic microbes for the conversion of organic waste into valuable end product known as vermicompost. Composting involves the degradation of organic waste by microorganisms under controlled conditions. in which the organic materials undergoes a characteristic demophilic stage that allows sanitization of the waste by elimination of pathogenic microorganisms. Composting is also used to treat manure, green waste, or municipal solid waste, and vermicompost give higher quality and product that composting due to joint action of enzymatic and microbial activity that occur during the process. As the conclusion, chemical fertilizer are produced from vanishing resource of earth, and crops grown on chemical fertilizer have low and contaminated nutrient value in comparison to grow natural or organic way. So, to preserve the agro ecosystem and protect human health from the harmful chemical fertilizer ecology agriculture, organic farming has to be promoted as the new emerging concept of organic farming, because focus mainly on production of chemical free food. Organic farming with use of organic fertilizer like vermicompost could substitute the chemical fertilizer and can reduce the economic cost, and may also lead the organic product which purchase higher price in market. And this is my reference. Thank you very much. That's all from me.